Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Brite Bomber. I know you guys requested this a lot, so let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we gotta draw in just part of the hair on the top first. So this is gonna be, just draw like a little angle like this first, and then we're gonna start drawing the face. So from here, we're gonna start her eye. So we're gonna draw one brow here. So it's like right underneath the little triangle there. So just draw a simple brow. Okay, and then now for the eye, just kind of curve it around, and it's gonna be pretty big. And then on the bottom here, just draw a little line. And even here, just a little bit. Don't go all the way in. Okay, so just leave that open, and then now we're gonna draw the eyeball. So again, this is going to be a pretty big eye, so it's very cartoony. And then in there, just draw like another circle, just so that we know that's going to be the highlight. So now I can shade everything around it. You get a nice little highlight on that eye. Okay, so then we got to move across to the other one, and right where this line is, just come across for the eyebrow, and just start drawing the eyebrow. Okay, and then for this line, we'll just extend it a little bit more, okay, just for the hair. So now here's the other eye, and it's kind of behind the hair. So again, we got to draw the same thing, just come across around the same area, just got to draw one arc, okay, and then just hook it in just a little bit, and then the eyeball is going to be behind the hair a little bit, so it's just going to go. And if yours is not behind the hair, it's okay too. Okay, so I'm going to draw the little circle again. And I'm going to shade it in, so now we have two eyes. Okay, so not a little bit, could be a little bit tricky, but not too bad, right? Okay, so right from here, we're going to move on to her nose. So just right underneath it, we're going to keep it simple. Just draw like a little, just like a little angle right there. And then we're going to move down to her lip, and I'm going to give her a little bit of expression, like a little smirk. So I'm just going to draw one line like this first. Just one line across. And then on the bottom, this is going to be her lower lip. I'm going to draw another line, okay? And then now I'm going to shade in just a little bit on the top. Okay, so now she have a full lip. And we can actually make that dark, but I'll leave it like this for now. Okay, so from here, now we pretty much have her face. We're going to draw things around it, right? We're going to give her the outline. So right here on the side, just come down a little bit, okay? And then on this side, just kind of curve a little bit, and this is gonna be a cheekbone. And then from here, come up a little bit and just draw like a real, pretty sharp angle. And this is probably the trickiest part. Okay, so now you have a face. So just by having this a little cheekbone, it really helps to make it look like, you know, a little bit more feminine. Okay, so from here, let's move on to her hair. So let's see, we'll have to draw her glasses first. So just come on up here, and you can just draw one line across. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw in, let's see, the middle of the glass, let's just draw in that little line first. Okay, so now we can draw in the rest, so the frame. So we have 1, 2. All right, so now we can draw in the hair. So let's go ahead and draw in this strand. We'll start right here. We'll just kind of connect that. It's gonna be 1, and let's draw another one. Gonna come out, and then let's start up here. We'll close that off. So that's 2, and then now let's see. Let's draw 1 up here. I know it's a little odd, but just follow through. Okay. Draw that, and then now draw this one on the side here. We can just kind of come all the way around. Okay, just cut that off, and that could be the ear. Okay, so then on the other side, it's going to be pretty simple. There's a little bit of strands, so let's just go ahead and draw some strands. Okay, so close that off, and let's close this one off, and even down here, let's close that off. Maybe her ear is going to be somewhere over here, so we just draw a little line. It's okay if you don't draw that one. Okay, and then let's see. Let's draw another one here. Make it look like there's more strands, a little bit more complicated. Okay, so that's pretty much the face, and I'm gonna move down to her body. Now I have her head a little bit tilted, but you just draw it straight down. So, okay, so right here, so her neck. So we're just gonna come down like this. And then for the collar, we're just gonna round it off. And now we're gonna draw her shoulder. So we're gonna come out straight just a little bit. Okay, and then this is gonna be the strap on the side. It's gonna come straight down. And now she's a female, so we're gonna give her a little bit of chest. Okay, so just curve it in like that. And then now for the waist, so from here, just kind of pinch it in. Okay, small waist, and then now we're just gonna close that off. And it looks like she's only got one belt, so just come down one time. Close that off, and all right, let's just go ahead and draw that as well. Looks like there's two lines there, and then some belt loops. Just draw two lines each of those. Those are easy. All right, so let's move on back up to the body here. Let's finish up the strap here. So right here, just come down. It's gonna be one strap, two strap, and for the details, well, let's see the collar. Let's draw the collar. So we're just gonna go give that some thickness, and then let's draw the graphics in later. Let's finish up the arm first. Okay, so from here, the shoulders, we're just gonna come out. And it looks like she have a different costume here. So just close that off. This is different material. So her arm's gonna come down. That's gonna be her elbow. Okay, so we're gonna a little bit curve, smoother on this side, just a little bit past the belt. And then now for a glove, we'll just close that off. Little rectangle. And then for a glove, just draw like a little shape like that, and then now we can draw in her finger. So this one's gonna be a thumb, so we're gonna make it sharp. It's a female, smaller hand, so we just curve it in, and then let's just draw one more finger on the other side. Okay, and let's move on to the other arm. The other arm's gonna be folded up, so it's gonna be on the waist. So the shoulder is gonna be pretty much the same, a little bit more slanted. Okay, so now we're gonna come out. Okay, let's give this on the back side. That's gonna be the elbow. Could draw in a little line there. And then now we're gonna come back in. But before we come back in, let's go ahead and draw in her fist down here first. So right here, curve down. Just draw a little rectangle like that. That's gonna be her fist on her side. And then now this is gonna be the glove. Okay, so once we draw that, now we can connect these two. So let's just kind of finish up the glove, extend it, close it. A little bit of rectangle here for the glove. And it looks like there's a little paneling. We'll just draw that real quick. And then now we can just kind of connect these lines. Okay, so that's gonna give her arm. All right, so that's not too bad. It's pretty, one of the easier characters to draw actually for Fortnite. So for this one, we're gonna come down, draw a little line there, and then now for her leg. So we're gonna continue this line. Okay, that's gonna be a thigh. You come down, and let's draw the other side. We're gonna come down, and then the other side. And then there's gonna be an armor here, so this is gonna be your knee. We'll just close that off. And then we're gonna draw in, almost like a square. Push this up a little bit. And then in here, we draw like a smaller square, just like a little bit below it, and just connect these lines. Okay? And then we can, let's keep moving on down. So for our legs, this one's easy. So we're just gonna curve out, curve back in. Okay, close it. And then leave a little bit of space there because it looks like an armor detaches right there. Okay, so dome shape, and just two lines, and just connect those. It looks like she's got some straps here, so we're gonna draw one, and 2. And now we can draw in the armor here. It looks like it starts right there. And then just draw 2 lines going all the way down. Okay, so that's one leg. Let's move on to the other one. So same thing, this one, the knee doesn't have any armor, so just straight down. And then for the pants, it's gonna flare out a little bit. Okay, because it's gonna be tucked into the boot, so we'll close that. And then now it's kind of the same shape as the other side, which is gonna come straight down. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the dome shape, shoes. And just come across, same distance. And then for the shoelace, okay, just do that. All right, and then we'll just draw in, we can just zigzag it and then zigzag back to make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, and then let's see, now we can draw in, let's finish up the details on her. So going back up, looks like she's got a horse here, so can't draw too small with this, but just draw in like a little really simple shape, just like that. And then looks like it's got a wing, so I'll just draw like some kind of unicorn, and then the rainbow, so we just come across. Let's just go all the way down. Okay, and actually I think I forgot something. I need to draw in the graphics here on the bottom. So we just, looks like it's very jaggedy here, so we just kind of zigzag across. This could be a different color. Okay, and then the rainbow, let's draw another one down, line. I think that's about it. I don't want to draw too much detail on this with this Sharpie. All right, so from here, there's some detail on the pants. Looks like there's some kind of padding here. And then on this side, right here, we can draw one line in the middle. And then we're gonna come down here, curve it in. That's gonna be some kind of padding in there. And then for this side, she's got some belt, so we're gonna have to close it off earlier, and then we're gonna draw the belt here. That's one. And let's draw one more belt on the bottom here. So now we're just gonna continue this line and kind of draw the same padding as the other side. So we're just gonna come down and just kind of curve it in. Okay, and then some smaller details, looks like some other shape here. And I almost forgot, she does have an armband here, so I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines. And that is it for this Brite Bomber. It's a very cool looking character. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.